Welcome to Mastering Affiliate Marketing. If you're looking to earn passive income online, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. It's a performance-based strategy that benefits everyone involved. The merchants gain customers, and you, the affiliate, earn money. It's a win-win. First, let's talk about the key players in this ecosystem. You have the merchants, who are the businesses selling the products. Then you have the affiliates, which could be anyone from bloggers to social media influencers, promoting those products. And, of course, we have the consumers, the end users who make the purchases. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is the low startup cost. You don't need to create your own products, hold inventory, or even handle shipping. Plus, you can work from anywhere at any time. Sounds great, right? Now, let's get started with the basics. Understanding the different types of affiliate programs is crucial. There's pay-per-sale, where you earn a commission when a sale is made through your link. Then there's pay-per-click, where you earn a fee for each click on your link. Lastly, there's pay-per-lead, where you earn money for generating leads like signups. Choosing the right niche is another critical step. It's important to focus on areas that you're passionate about or have some knowledge in. Research tools like Google Trends or SEMrush can help you analyze demand and competition. Look for niches that are popular but not overly saturated. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your affiliate marketing business. Start by finding the right affiliate programs. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great places to start. When evaluating programs, consider their commission rates, the types of products they offer, and their payout terms. Now, you'll need an online presence. This could be a blog or a website. WordPress is a user-friendly platform that many people use. Ensure your site is mobile responsive, as a lot of traffic comes from mobile devices. Don't forget to create social media accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to drive traffic to your content. Consistent branding across your website and social media is essential for building trust. Next, let's talk about content creation. Valuable content is the backbone of affiliate marketing. You can create product reviews, comparison articles, or tutorials. Make sure your content is informative and genuinely helpful to your audience. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is key to driving traffic to your content. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify keywords related to your niche. Optimize your articles and blog posts with these keywords to improve your search rankings. When it comes to traffic, you have both free and paid strategies. Free methods include leveraging SEO, social media, and online forums. Paid methods could involve using Google Ads or social media advertising. Analytics will be your best friend as you grow your business. Tools like Google Analytics can help you track your website traffic, understand your audience's behavior, and identify what content performs best. Now, let's dive into some advanced strategies. One powerful method is building an email list. Email marketing is a great way to stay in touch with your audience and promote your affiliate products. Platforms like MailChimp and ConvertKit make it easy to manage your email list and create engaging campaigns. Social media is another powerful tool for affiliate marketing. Share valuable content and engage with your audience. You can also collaborate with influencers to reach a wider audience and enhance your credibility. Compliance is crucial in affiliate marketing. Familiarize yourself with FTC guidelines, which require you to disclose your affiliate relationships. Always be transparent with your audience. This builds trust and credibility. Ethical marketing practices are vital. Focus on providing genuine value to your audience and avoid misleading claims about products. This approach not only helps you build a loyal audience but also protects your reputation. As you gain experience, you'll want to scale your affiliate marketing business. Monitor key metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates. Use A/B testing to see which strategies work best for you. Don't be afraid to diversify your income streams. Consider promoting multiple products or exploring new niches to keep your income flowing. Let's look at some real-world success stories. Analyzing successful affiliates can provide you with inspiration and practical strategies. Pay attention to what they did right and how they overcame challenges. As you move forward, create a clear action plan with achievable goals. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time and persistence. Keep learning, adapting, and refining your strategies. In conclusion, we've covered a lot today, from the fundamentals of affiliate marketing to advanced strategies. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for joining me on this journey to mastering affiliate marketing. Now, go out there and take action.